If you want to improve your phone's security, disabling USB debugging is a smart step. In this guide, you'll quickly learn to turn it off on your Samsung device in just a few easy steps. First of all, open the settings menu. You can do this by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping the gear-shaped icon. Once you're inside settings, scroll carefully to the bottom of the menu. If you don't see developer options, it means it's hidden by default. In that case, go to About Phone, tap Software Information, and repeatedly tap Build number 7 times until you see a message saying Developer Mode is enabled. Now go back to the main settings screen and open Developer Options. Scroll down until you find the Debugging section. Here you will see the USB Debugging option. Simply tap the switch next to it to turn it off. When disabled, the toggle will turn gray, confirming that USB debugging is no longer active. It's also a good idea to double-check your system security after making changes. You can update your software or restart your phone to ensure everything runs smoothly and securely. Finally, exit the settings menu and your changes will be automatically saved. USB debugging is now turned off, helping keep your device safer from unauthorized access while maintaining normal phone performance. That's it. Your Samsung phone is now properly secured with USB debugging disabled, and you can continue using it with confidence in everyday tasks.